Welcome to DelftStack. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use frames in Canva in a very simple way so you can improve your designs quickly. First, open Canva and start a new design or open an existing one. On the left side toolbar, click on the Elements tab. Scroll down until you see the section called Frames. Here you will find different frame shapes like circles, squares, and more creative designs. Next, click on any frame you like or simply drag it onto your canvas. Once it appears in your design, you can resize it and move it wherever you want. Now comes the important part. To add content, go to your photos or uploads. Drag an image or video directly onto the frame. The content will automatically fit and crop into the shape of the frame. If you want to adjust the image inside the frame, just double-click on it. You can move it around, zoom in, or reposition it until it looks right. Thanks for watching.